All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto Leverage Trading Group. Everybody is doing well. It is a little after 11 a.m., and we're going to do a quick update here on BexPlus, BexPlus.com, on this Oracle signal, on what we got from the on-chain and technical analytics determining entry in this morning. When everyone else was selling, you've got to understand what can happen in terms of staying within your uniform supply and demand barriers, okay? And using that as your guide, not using the behavior of the overall market, okay, of market sentiment, okay? Remember, you're trading behaviors, okay? But you're also using what you have in terms of your on-chain metrics and technical analytics to pick these entry points, right? So let's see how we did. Remember, we did the video earlier today, a little bit after 8 a.m. Lots of selling. Bitcoin was off 8%, down in the 42,000 range, okay? And here's where we got all the way down to here, 42,000, and now we've come back to 43,892. So that's important to understand where we've been this morning, okay? So we're going to shrink that up, and we're going to try and get down in here. Let's see if we can do this really quick. Get down in here to some of the other. It's not letting me move down. There we go. Okay, and you can see these coming out now, okay? XRP, Cardano, Ethereum, Bitcoin. 43,000 was the alert. It went lower, came back, right? After it went lower and came back, it entered into that accumulation bubble, okay? Which is where there's a lot of active addresses on the blockchain that have accumulated Bitcoin, which makes it a barrier or a bubble. And that's what you look for, is those bubbles. Are those bubbles, okay, acting as support or resistance, supply or demand barriers, right? And that signals where you want to tiptoe back in. And so at 43,000 level, and actually the trade, it actually got in at 43,014 because of what was going on at the moment. That's a 200%, okay? We're now at 43,953. All right? Ethereum, 2965, okay? If we pull Ethereum up here, I'm going to pop that back out. We can see that it got as low as the 2930 range, okay? But then came right back up, obviously rather quickly. And so there you go, okay? Then you have now Cardano, which is up 600, 700% now. So let's look at Cardano. Cardano is now bounced off of the $2 range, okay? And has now come all the way back to 215. See that? Actually fell below 197 on the wick. So if you watch a video I did earlier this morning to get into Cardano, what's going to happen with Cardano, mates, is we know we have the Cardano Summit coming up on the 25th of September. So we know there's going to be a lot of news, a lot of coverage, a lot of eyeballs on that. They're going to release Hydra, Layer 2. They're going to come out with all the positive. They need to come out with all the positive news to keep everybody in the Cardano community solid in the camp, right? They don't want people dumping Cardano, right? They don't want that, okay? They've been making a lot of promises, okay? So this trade is in anticipation of September 25th. And so that's why. And why did we make that trade? Why did the Oracle signal? What was that all about? Well, we know that 192 was a critical barrier, okay? Breaking 192 would have taken Cardano back down to like 160, okay? That's just the truth. If you're a technical trader, okay? Fibonacci, everything like that, it would have taken her down. But because it held and came back, okay, now you're going to get, okay, another confirmation. Remember, confirmation bias, okay, behavioral sciences, all right? Oh, it confirmed again. People are buying again now. Or new people. We're going to take a look at it tomorrow, see how many new addresses entered Cardano, entered Ethereum, entered Bitcoin today, okay? If they did, I think that's a great trade. Because all of these fell below 20 RSI. That's a great entry point if you're a long-term hodler. It's a great point. Not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. You guys know that, okay? But, I mean, that's what you're looking for. While everybody else is panicking, you have a longer-term vision for where the cryptoverse is going to be in a year, 6 months to a year. Or at least you should, or you ought not be in it, okay? This right here in 3-4 hours shows you the strength of that.